Hello techies, welcome back to my YouTube channel in the Django series. In the last two videos, we have learned how to set up Django and we have downloaded VS Code also. So in today's video, we will write some code in VS Code and that will be displayed on the Django server, this one. So today we will make changes here. So for that, we need to first start a new terminal. Here we will go to a folder, command Oreo, and then virtual environment, work on test. Now to make some changes on the server, we have to first create an application for that. For that, we will write a simple code that is Python manage.py, then start app, and the app name you like. I like Cal. First let your name as Cal, and then press enter, and the app name Calc will be created inside the Oreo. Here you can see that the Calc is created here. App. Here we have views. This is very important for us because what we write here will be displayed on the website itself. Now this is in URLs. This is very important for us. Now here we will start our coding, and others we have tests, models, apps, admin and init. Now let's start with our coding. So here we define our path. Here we write path using brackets, then comma, views dot home, comma, that will be our home page. So we will set its name as name equals to home. So here we are done with it. Now some of you may encounter the error of Pylint import error. Click on the eye icon and then you can resolve your problem. So also you will not be able to see this, that your name will be of white color, not blue. So for that, click here at extensions and download the Jinja extension for Python, which is Jinja template language. So here you can install this. After that you will be able to see that. This shows that what code I am writing, my system is able to interpret that. So we are done with the URLs. Now we'll go to views.py. So here we have to define our home page. So define home, and then we are putting request for that, then colon. We want to return the HTTP response. So here we'll print hello world. So after doing all this, here from Django.shortcuts import render, from Django.http import HTTP response. So here we have defined our function, define home. This, and then in URLs, from Django.urls import path, from all import views, then URL patterns from path. Here we defined our path, then views.home, our home page, name equals to home. So then we will save our files. Here we click on save all. Now we will get back to the server. So we will refresh it. Oh, it's not working. So here in URLs of Oreo our system app, we can see that from Django.contrib import admin, from Django.urls import path and include. So here we write the path for the home page which we have defined in views.py from URLs of Calc. So here we write path, then almost similar command which I've written in URLs of calc, but here we have to include the system, the app which we have created, that is calc.urls. So here, and then we'll write another command, that is path and then brackets. So here we'll write admin slash then comma admin dot site dot urls, site dot urls. We are done with it. Now we'll save the file and get back to the server and refresh it. So here you can see that hello world is printed. So in this way we have created a first app just by following simple steps and writing a simple code. So that's all for this video. I hope that you like this video. If yes, then do like and comment, and please subscribe to my channel. Thank you guys.